starting with the page replacement algorithm. Okay, as we have already seen that we are having three page replacement algorithm. One is the FIFO, second is LRU, and the third one is optimal page replacement algorithm. Okay, and we also know that why the page replacement is required. Okay, because we have to bring the requested or the demanded page from the disk space to the memory, to the main memory. So for that reason we have to replace the existing one. Okay, we have to discard the existing one and we have to bring the page which is requested or which is demanded from the disk space. Okay, so in that regard we have already seen the reference string, page fault, and page frame. Okay, in the previous video we have already seen all this thing. As you know, the page reference string. Okay, the reference string will be given to us. Okay, some pages will be given to us. Okay, and the page frame will be fixed for us. Okay, and then we have to find the page fault. Okay, and the fault rate we need to find out. Okay, so let us start with the actual first in first out. In first in first out algorithm, page replacement algorithm, it is a low overhead algorithm. It's the low overhead algorithm. Okay, it requires little bookkeeping on the part of the operating system. The idea is obvious from the name. The operating system keep track of all the pages in the memory. OS keep track of all the pages in memory in a queue. Okay, so operating system keep track of all the pages in memory in a queue with the most recent arrival at the back. Okay, in queue with most recent arrival at the back. As you know that the first in first out concept, is like this only. So these are the frames, or we can say blocks. So this is the tail and this is the front. Okay, so from front the pages will be out and from tail they will be in. Okay, so the page who will come first will have to go out first. Okay, so a page need to be replaced. Okay, when a page need to be replaced, the page at the front of the queue is selected. Okay, when a page is to be replaced, when a page to be replaced, what we have to do, so which page we have to select? The page at the front, the page at the front of the queue is selected. Okay, so in first in first out page replacement algorithm, what we have to do, we have to select the page which is on the front, because the first in the page which has came first, or which has arrived first, will go out first. Okay, so FIFO algorithm associate with each page the time when that page was brought into the memory. Okay, when a page must be replaced, the oldest page is chosen, or what we can say, we can use a FIFO queue to hold all pages in the memory. We replace the page at the head of the queue. So one and the same thing. So instead of telling the things again and again, let us see the example. Just consider one reference string. Okay, the tagline, will write the tagline with the color. Okay, in FIFO, what we have to do, we have to replace the page. We have to replace the page that has been in memory for the longest time. okay, for the longest time. So this is the tagline you need to remember for FIFO. We have to replace the page when if there is a requirement of replacing the page, then we have to replace the page that has been in the memory for the longest time. Okay, let us take one example. That example is very good example.